Hunting accessories kit. All of the hunting gear you need for the woods. Add these travel bottles to your sport backpack for the ultimate camping supplies set. Stay fresh and clean for your next hunt. 10-piece kit. The hunting value pack includes 1. 8 Oz laundry detergent, 1. 2 Oz field spray, 1. 6 Oz field spray refill, 3. Pac-It refills, 1. 5 color face paint, 1. 4.5 ounces bar soap, 1. Travel case, 1. SPF 30 lip balm. For odor. Gentle on humans and the environment so you can use these products freely in the woods or wherever you are. Safe for sensitive skin. All products included in this dead downwind hunting kit are safe to use on sensitive skin. All of the preparation you need from the shower to the field. American made. All of the dead downwind camping accessories and hunting accessories in this camping kit are proudly made in the United States and make for great hunting gifts for men. Top reviews from the United States. This stuff works. This stuff is a must-have for hunters. I never believed that these scent cover products really worked till someone told me to try it out a couple years ago and I was amazed. We had been trying to sneak into a new hunting spot for over a week and every time we tried a damn deer would eventually get a whiff of us and sound the alarms. We had no chance. The first day I used this dead downwind spray was the day I nailed my 3x3 black-tailed deer in the exact location we had been trying to get to. This stuff really works. Bought this kit this year so I had everything I needed and it was worth the purchase. Highly recommend this awesome product.